Hi everyone, welcome back to Learnomate Technologies. In our today's lecture, I'll be discussing about the Oracle database certification. So if you're working as a Oracle DBA or you want to kickstart your journey as a Oracle DBA, the Oracle certification play a very important role. Especially in the out of India, I have seen, especially I'm talking about the UAE, or you take the example of US and other location. There is a huge demand of the Oracle database people, especially the people coming from the Oracle database certification side. So if you want to kickstart your journey as a Oracle DBA, this certification play a very important role. In our today's lecture, I'll show you how you can enroll for this Oracle database certification. I'll tell you all these things step by step, very slowly, so you'll understand it. To make you understand about this Oracle database certification, you need to follow my screen and you can enroll it. So if you want to purchase this exam, first of all you need to open any browser. So I'm just using the Oracle this Google Chrome browser and search it with the OCP certification path. Once you search with the OCP certification path, click on the first link, then scroll it down, and here you can see the multiple certifications are there, but right now we are interested for Oracle Database 2019 Certified Professional, which is also called it as a OCP certification. Click on details. There are two exams are there to certified OCP 100082. Once you clear this the first exam, then only you can go for the second exam. Click on the first exam 100082, then scroll it down, and there is an option is available related to the review exam topics. So if you want to know more about the topics, like what are all questions they can ask on the topic, you can see all the details over here. So make sure you are already prepared for this exam and then only you go for an exam. If you want to understand about this topic, you can reach out to the Learnomate Technologies and they can provide you the training based on this certification also. Finally, click on the registered and take exam, and there is an option like add to cart. Once you click on the add to cart, you can see the pricing over here. The pricing is around 20,000. So you can just view cart and check out. You can give this exam from your home, as well as you can also give this exam from the certified center provided by the Oracle itself. So it is online as well as offline exam is also available. So all the details you can get it on the Oracle official website. Once you check this exam, once you get the brochure of this exam, you can give this exam within 6 months, any online as well as offline. Okay, so click on the view card and check out. Just register yourself on the Oracle, or if you already have a user ID and password, you can enter over here or click on the sign in and provide this exam. So just click on the username, password. If you don't have any username and password over here, you can click on the create account and enter your basic details over here. Once you enter your basic details, you will get an email on your email ID. You need to activate your account by clicking on that link which you received on the email ID. Same credential you need to enter here, and this is the way you can enroll for 100082, which is a admin 1, and then once you clear the admin 1, you can go for an admin 2, and finally you can call it yourself as a OCP certified. So this is the step by steps to enroll for the Oracle database certification. If you want to know more about the Oracle database certification, you can just use the comment section, provide your questions there, and definitely we will create a video on it. If you are looking for Oracle database certification exam preparation and you think that you want to take the training under us, please reach out to the Learnomate Technologies team. Our details are available in the description as well as you can see it on the screen. We have placed thousands of people, and thousands of people are getting certified from our training institute. So we do provide the completely real-time database training. If you think that you want to know more about us, then you can go to our website learnomate.org. You can follow our YouTube channel. Right now we have 17,000 Oracle DBA followers on our YouTube channel. You can also personally follow me on my LinkedIn as well as Instagram profile. Please do like, subscribe and share this channel, and if you have any questions, queries, anything, please reach out to us. So we are here to help you out about this Oracle database. Thanks.